Hello everyone, I'm Chef Samia. Welcome to my channel Star Food. Got no store-bought chocolate ice cream? No problem. Let's make this easy homemade chocolatey chocolate ice cream that only requires 4 ingredients and needs no machine to make it. So let's get started. Firstly, in a bowl pour 250 grams of cold condensed milk. Next add some cocoa powder using a whisk. Mix them well. Keep the bowl aside. On another bowl, whip the whipping cream until it reaches a semi-whipped consistency. Then pour the cocoa and condensed milk mixture. Using a spatula, combine all these 3 ingredients by folding them well. Later, add the chocolate chunks and fold them well too. Then transfer to an airtight free container. Let it chill in the freezer for 6 to 7 hours. Once chilled, scoop out your chocolate ice cream and add some extra chocolate chunks as your garnish. And here you go, the soft, smooth and also at the same time crunchy chocolatey chocolate ice cream is ready to be enjoyed. Guys, it's what to be made at your home. Every spoonful scoop is filled with chocolatey goodness. And make sure to hit that subscribe and like button for more like this easy and tasty recipes. So bye for today and see you on my next video.